ready and don't step on my chords again.
That was hilarious.
Just put the props back on the piano once you are done with me.